What if I told you there are AI tools right now that can create full YouTube video scripts, voiceovers, visuals, everything in under 10 minutes? And the craziest part? Most creators still don't even know they exist. In this video, I'm revealing 10 secret AI tools that top YouTubers are quietly using to explode their growth. Watch till the end because even missing one of these could cost you thousands of views. ChatGPT is the easiest and cheapest AI tool. It's free, and this is the tool that started the AI craze. Around the world, to tell the truth, if ChatGPT wasn't around, maybe the trend of AI tools wouldn't exist today. But for YouTubers, ChatGPT is a game changer. Whether you need to write scripts, do research for videos, or optimize SEO, ChatGPT can handle it all. It's the best feature of ChatGPT, in my opinion, is that you can literally make it your personal assistant. You can train it to suggest video ideas, right, like you, and even create prompts for other AI tools. Just remember, ChatGPT is the king in writing and research, but it can't do everything. If you need video editing or heavy AI magic, then that work will be done by other AI tools. And for those tools, don't forget to watch the video till the end, because in the next list, you'll see full Invideo AI. I know you might have heard about many new AI video generators. The latest one, Pictory, is trending fast in the market. But what if I tell you that all these new AI tools are cheap versions of the original tools? Invideo is the original and most powerful AI video generator. You just give AI a simple prompt, 1 or 2 sentences, and it will generate script, voiceover, visuals, subtitles, everything with just one button click. And now, its video quality has significantly improved. You can now create decent content with it. To use Invideo, all you need to do is click on text to video and write your prompt in the box. For example, make a video of a boy playing football in an open lawn and tell a story with a voiceover. How the boy had dreams of becoming the greatest footballer in the world. Step-by-step writing a script. Recording a voiceover emerging clips it would take you at least a few hours. But here, you can do all that work in just a few minutes. To clarify, this is the latest version of Invideo. It can generate almost anything. The best thing is you can choose how your videos should look animated or realistic. You can also choose whether to use stock images or AI-generated ones. You can edit the voiceover, music, and script after they are generated. The app is free to use, but if you want to unlock its full power, I suggest getting its basic subscription plan, Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is the tool I call the best image assistant. It can generate even the most complex images for you in just a few seconds. For example, type in the box, a dreamy forest with a magical hut at the center and neon lights. Just type it, hit the generate button, and Firefly will instantly convert your text into stunning images. But that's not all. Firefly is designed with creators in mind. This means you can tweak the image, adjust it, add your own image, and plus, the app gives you full access to Adobe's entire software suite. That means any image you generate here is completely free to use. No copyright issues. One more cool thing this tool is integrated into, Adobe Creative Cloud. That means you can generate images in Firefly, tweak them in Photoshop, and use them. This saves you both time and effort. Generally, Adobe Firefly is perfect for designing YouTube thumbnails or creating images that you can later convert into videos using AI. Image-to-video generators. Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is a professional editing app on its own. But now, this app has a lot of AI-powered features that can completely change your YouTube game. For example, Generative Extend. This feature uses AI to increase the length of your video clips by generating new frames. Enhanced Speech can reduce background noise in your videos using AI, and Auto Color automates color adjustments. Basically, this app has a lot of features that help you remix or perfect your videos. I recommend using Premiere Pro 4, Upscale AI. If you're a graphic designer or editor who works with images, then you'll agree that the biggest issue in this job is poor image quality. This same issue exists in YouTube content where images are used a lot, for example, a history or motivational channel. You wouldn't want to use low-quality images because it would make your video look bad, and viewers will immediately click away. Upscale AI is such a tool where you can upload any poor quality image and transform it into high quality. To use this tool, just download the app, log in, and upload the image you want to upscale. On the left side, options will appear to select which quality you want. There's no hack or trick here. It's a simple and straightforward tool. Udo. If you're a business owner or online entrepreneur, then this tool is a goldmine for you. Udo is an all-in-one business platform where you can do everything from branding to email marketing to even hiring. For instance, you can build a complete e-commerce website on this platform with just one click. You can also customize this website and even get a free domain for 1 year. This tool will make your life much easier. Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is another AI tool that I really like. Leonardo is perfect for faceless YouTube channels like history, horror, or adventure stories. The benefit of this tool is that you get 150 free credits every day, whereas using Midjourney costs a lot of money. It's simple to use. Click on text to image, enter your prompt, and hit generate. You can play with the settings, but the result is always a super image. Always remember to select the orientation, portrait 9:16 or landscape 16:9. Depending on YouTube Shorts or regular content. Here's a pro hack. Whenever you want to use Leonardo AI, generate a prompt from ChatGPT first. This hack is used by all pro YouTubers for better results. 11 Labs. Another premium AI tool that cannot be ignored, especially if you run a faceless channel, is 11 Labs. It's not just a voice generator. It's a voice cloner, text-to-speech, speech-to-speech, and much more. It has hundreds of voices to choose from, and new voices are added every day. Podcasts, documentaries, comedy, or horror stories, you'll find a voice for everything. The real power of 11 Labs is that its voices sound almost human. If you pay attention, there are even YouTube channels that copy the voices of famous people. To make content, you can record your own voice and clone it inside 11 Labs. And I'm sure you already know about YouTube's latest AI policy. 11 Labs Audio is the best way to bypass this policy so that your faceless content can be monetized. You can try 11 Labs for free. It gives you 10,000 free credits every month. Suno AI. In the fast-growing world of AI today, it feels like nothing is impossible anymore. Video generation, voiceover, images, all of it can now be created by AI in seconds. Now imagine if I told you that there's an AI tool that also creates music. Yes, an AI music generator. Sounds crazy, right? You can create any song with this. AI tools. Suno AI. As soon as you sign up, you'll see an interface. First, click on Create. After that, select Custom Mode. Then describe what kind of song you want. Input lyrics if you have them, and select a style like rap or blues. Then click on Create, and music begins. If you're using this app for content, I suggest generating prompts and song ideas from ChatGPT first. And now we come to our final tool, Digo AI. This app is the #1 image generator because it creates images in real time. For example, if I want to generate a picture of a dinosaur wearing a hat and riding a bike, I'll just type that prompt and the app will start generating immediately. If I change something, the image changes automatically too. That's why this app is called a real-time AI image generator. And believe me, it's one of the best apps out there. With this app, you can play with your imagination and see live results very fast. No need to wait 2 minutes like ChatGPT or 30 seconds like Leonardo AI. The biggest thing, it's free. You can create and download your images absolutely free. That's it. So now you know the 10 AI tools that can take your content creation to the next level. Learning tools is just one part of the game. If you really want to build a successful YouTube channel without showing your face or spending hours editing, then you need to understand YouTube automation. And the good news is, I've explained it all in under 10 minutes. Tap the video on your screen now, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Don't miss it.